Hello, my name is Dr. Chandni Nakum and this channel is dedicated to all things teeth and dentistry. I'm a dentist based in the UK and I enjoy making people smile, not only from the outside but also from within. I want all of you to be able to understand your teeth better, so I'm trying to make complex information into simple, bite-sized and an easy way to understand more about your teeth. Today we're talking about the all-important question, electric or manual toothbrush, which is better? Do you really need to fork out on an expensive electric toothbrush, or can you just get away with using your good old standard manual toothbrush? So we're going to be comparing the two today. Make sure to stick around to the end where I'll be explaining which toothbrush I use and also which toothbrush I would recommend. If this sounds good to you, then please subscribe below and hit the thumbs up, and let's get talking on electric v manual toothbrushes. At some point you've probably questioned whether you should buy an electric or stick to your manual toothbrush. Now, electric toothbrushes do look very cool, and yes, they have got a lot cheaper, but with manual toothbrushes, they can just be more convenient, they're easy to travel with, they're portable, and you really don't need to bother with the charging either. There have been lots of trials on whether electric or manual toothbrushes are better in terms of the amount of plaque that is removed with each toothbrush. And plaque is what causes tooth decay and also what causes gum disease. There was one trial that involved 4,624 people of all ages, male and female. They looked at the health of the gums and also the amount of plaque that was removed with each toothbrush, so electric and manual. There was evidence to show that the electric toothbrush was better in terms of oral hygiene than the manual toothbrush. What they found was that there was 11% less plaque in 1 to 3 months of using the electric toothbrush over the manual toothbrush, and there was 21% less plaque in using an electric toothbrush for more than 3 months compared to the manual toothbrush. They also found that there was 6% less gingivitis, which is a very mild form of gum disease, in using the electric toothbrush for 1 to 3 months, and there was 11% less gingivitis in using the electric toothbrush for more than 3 months, all compared to using a manual toothbrush. So overall, electric toothbrushes have been shown to be better than manual toothbrushes. I personally recommend electric toothbrushes to people who have arthritis, particularly in their hands, because you only have to hold the toothbrush on your teeth and the toothbrush itself does the movements for you. This way you will still have the benefits of good cleaning and it will still take you a short time. Some of them also have a buzz that happens every 30 seconds, so you will know when to move on to the next section of your teeth. Another good thing about electric toothbrushes is that some of them come with a pressure sensor, and so they will flash red if you're brushing too hard. Let me show you. So I'm going to turn this toothbrush on and I'm going to put it against my hand as if you would when you're brushing your own teeth. It flashes white and it stays white if you're brushing at a normal pressure, and if you're brushing too hard it will turn red. So normal and it's white, and now I'm going to push slightly against my hand and it turns red. And now if I let go again, it becomes white. Brushing too hard can damage your teeth, and the reason that it does that is because it can remove some of the enamel of your tooth, which is the hard outer coating of the teeth, and it can also irritate your gums. If you would like me to do a video on the effects of brushing too hard and what we can do to reduce this, then please comment that in the section below. So what toothbrush do I use? I use the Oral-B IO toothbrush. It's a very good toothbrush and it is relatively new. The downside to it is that it is very expensive. If you do want to buy an electric toothbrush, which I would recommend, then you don't have to splash the cash on a really expensive toothbrush. It could just be any electric toothbrush with an oscillating, rotating head, and that's the most important part. Although the evidence is weak, it has been shown that an oscillating, rotating head, which is the type of movement that an electric toothbrush does, is the most effective at removing the plaque, which is good for your oral hygiene. If you want me to make another video on the different types of electric toothbrushes you can get, then please comment that in the section below as well, and I'll make a video for you. If you liked this video, then please subscribe and hit the thumbs up. If there are any other videos that you would like me to make, then please also comment that in the section below. And also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos.